In a quaint coastal village nestled between rolling hills and the sparkling sea, lived a charming girl named Lily. With her bright eyes and infectious laughter, Lily was a ray of sunshine in the lives of the villagers. What set her apart, though, was her deep affection for the sea and the birds that graced the sky. From the moment Lily could walk, she would spend hours by the shoreline, watching the waves dance and hearing the gentle whispers of the sea breeze. She was entranced by the ebb and flow of the tides, finding solace in the rhythmic sounds of the ocean. But it wasn't just the sea that captivated her heart. It was the birds that soared above, their wings painting the sky with a beautiful tapestry. Lily's room was adorned with countless drawings and paintings of seascapes and birds in flight. She'd often wake up before dawn, just to witness the sunrise over the horizon, casting a warm, golden glow across the water. The villagers admired Lily's unwavering devotion to the sea and her feathered friends, though some thought her connection bordered on the mystical. As the years passed, Lily's bond with the sea and the birds only grew stronger. She found herself longing for a deeper understanding of the natural world around her. Despite the beauty of her coastal home, Lily couldn't help but feel that something was missing in her life. She yearned to experience the same sense of freedom that the birds enjoyed. One day, a traveling artist arrived in the village, seeking inspiration for his next masterpiece. Intrigued by Lily's passion, he struck up a conversation with her. As they talked, Lily shared her dreams and her profound connection to the sea and the birds. The artist listened intently, a knowing smile playing on his lips. And quote, perhaps, and quote, he mused, and quote, what you're searching for is within you all along. The sea and the birds are a reflection of your own spirit, your own yearning for freedom and beauty. End quote. Lily pondered his words long after he had left the village. She realized that the tranquility of the sea and the grace of the birds were symbolic of the inner peace and strength she sought. With newfound determination, Lily embarked on a journey of self-discovery. She began practicing meditation by the shore, allowing the sounds of the waves and the distant calls of the birds to guide her thoughts. As she meditated, Lily felt a profound sense of unity with the sea and the birds. Their harmony resonated with her, and she began to find the peace she had been seeking. She realized that the sea and the birds were not just external sources of beauty but reflections of her own essence. With this realization, Lily's artwork took on a new depth and authenticity. Her paintings captured not just the physical beauty of the sea and the birds but also the emotional resonance she felt within her heart. The villagers were captivated by the way her art seemed to breathe life into the canvas. Lily's newfound wisdom and her connection with the sea and the birds continued to grow, enriching her life and the lives of those around her. She became an inspiration, showing others that the search for beauty and freedom could often be found within themselves, just as the sea's eternal song and the bird's graceful flight were echoes of her own spirit.